The topics that you'll study on the Creative and Cultural Industries Masters programme are quite wide and varied. They cover all of the industries, but we look at it through specific lenses. So we're looking at it through sustainability, digitalisation and access. And first semester you'll be thinking about what are the creative and cultural industries historically, but also what's the language all about, what does it actually mean, also its economic value. You'll also be thinking about who has the right to tell a story and how do we get people's stories without doing that in a non-ethical way. So being really ethical in your practice and fair, and making sure that people have a right of their own story. So thinking about intellectual property and also copyright, and also really how to make your own creative and cultural industry. So you share a module with the AI Digital Media and Production Masters Programme, which is really exciting, and creating short videos on your phone, using cameras, industry standard equipment, maybe doing a podcast, doing blogs, and building your own portfolio that you can then take out into the world in your career, and you've got things to show prospective employers. In the second semester, it's all about you. It's about how you want to present yourself, so developing yourself as a professional freelancer within this environment. So this degree can take you into a really thriving career in the creative and cultural industries, but in very different spaces. You can be working behind the camera, you could be working as part of the managerial team, you could be a freelancer creating your own products or your own company, and we will guide you as well into how to do that. You can be working as an employee, perhaps with the BBC, but also be doing freelance work on the side, or vice versa. Most of the environments and sectors in the creative and cultural industries work in that way now, where you are a hybrid worker, and we want you to have those skills when you leave, that flexibility to work across different environments.